Hi and welcome to another scratch card session. I'm Scratch Card Lady and today, Christopher, this is what you've asked for. He just wanted 3 cosmic cash. So I did send some of these, just a few, to Christopher in America. And they got lost in the post. So I'm just going to do these and say, well, you know, yeah, we know what the post is like sometimes when we send stuff out. So that's why I don't like sending anything like this out, and I'm not planning to do it again. So, Christopher, I'm just doing this session so that you enjoy these cards. You've got similar cards where you are in America, and yeah, let's see if you can bring me a bit of luck. So these are for you, your viewing, Christopher, and everybody else's, of course. So let's get a scratching. Got 47, 48 and 49. I won't explain how to play them because when I played with my profit session yesterday, I was playing these cards and I did explain how to play them there. So I'm going to just get straight in it. Got 3 cards. Christopher, hope you enjoy this. So my first, I want to use my little one, don't I? A6, because otherwise I'll make an even worse mess here with a big coin. A6, C4, C4. Ooh, F3, D7. So Christopher, can you bring me some luck today? Can it be a profit like I had yesterday? G3. And I know quite a few of you like these cards as well. So these are for you as well. A5 and D6. B1. A7. C5. And I hope you have a great weekend this weekend. We've got visitors staying this weekend, so it's going to be lovely. Busy, but lovely. B2. G6. Just need to remember when I do my recording for tomorrow. They ain't had too much to drink. B4. G5. And A4. I've done A4. Why have I done A4? What did I miss? So I've done something. So A6, done that. A5, A7, A1, A4. I've done something. Let's start again. C4, A3, D7. You can't really go wrong with these cards. C3, G3, A5, done that. D6, D6, B1, done that. A7, done that. C5, C5, Mr. C5. Was there a C4? Yeah. So it's C5 I missed. A1, B2, G6, B4, yeah, G5, yeah. Hey, I bet you were all screaming when I scratched that off wrong. F6, A3, F5. I'll just say scatty at times. G2. That wouldn't be me if I won't. Card 2. Come on, card 2. Right. So our first number is B5. I would say you can't get much wrong with this, but I can. B5. A4. And on Monday, and I wanted to tell you about that in this recording, and I'll remind you tomorrow as well. There is 7 of us I'm going to do a climbing down the ladder. So on Monday, we all start with £50 and E6. And with that £50, we all buy £5 cards. And then whatever we win with those £5 cards, we spend on day 2 with some more £5 cards. If we get nothing, then we're out the game. You can only buy cards with your winnings, but not more than the original £50. So yeah, there's quite a few of us doing it. You've got Life of Paul, Natasha, Scratch Card. We've got Cornish Scratcher, Glasgow Scratch is better, Mr. A, Scratch, and we've got Rachel, Scratch Card Queen as well. So and myself. So yeah, I will put a link in tomorrow when we're doing it. Not tomorrow, Monday when we're doing it. And yeah, hopefully, I know a lot of you said you love the channel challenges, and you hop from one to the other. So looking forward. We haven't done it for a couple of months. We haven't done it for a while, so it'd be nice to do it again. D6, E7, and F2. And then the next row, D4. Come on, we want to win on this. F5, B1, C4, C3, A2, D1, we just need D5, C6, B6, and the last one, it's a 7. Unless it's the star, it's going to be worth nothing. A7. So nothing on the second card. Can we do anything on the third card? Oh, Christopher, not doing too well, is it? Come on. There you go. So the first is D1, B5, D5, C1, C3, D6, C4, not A4, C4, C7, F6, D7. I have had a full card on this at the very, very beginning when we used to do them, weren't we? When they very first came out. Yeah, I haven't had a win on these. Well, I've had a few wins, but nothing as good as what I had at the very beginning. D3, C5, E2, G5, B4, nearly, F7, yes, well we got a win. No, didn't want F7, did I? I wanted E7, so we haven't at the moment. So ignore that one unless I get an F7. G2. Oh, but we have one. We've got a star. So we have got G2. Just check. G2. E6. F3. So we have one on the star. So we didn't have win on that because we did not have an F7. We had an E7. So what have we got for the star? So we have £5. So 3 cards, £9 spent. Got more than half the money back. So 3 cards, 2 were losers, 1 was a winner. Or that one. One was a winner. Well, Christopher, I hope you enjoyed that session. I hope everybody enjoyed the session. If you did, please like and subscribe, add comments. I go back to all of the comments, and I will see you tomorrow on the next one. Bye for now.